You searched how to buy shares of Reborn Coffee Inc., a company in the coffee roasting and retail sector listed on NASDAQ under the ticker REBN. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker REBN to locate the company listing. Confirm you select the matching NASDAQ listing for Reborn Coffee Inc. On the stock page, check the basic company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct listing. Take a moment to review company details and market information before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as pending or executed when markets open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow the same example.